What's up, Kingdom family? Thank you for tuning in. This is your first time. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, so the last video I showed you guys how to make your closure the same natural black as your bundles. All right, we talked about how sometimes your closure may be a different natural black than your bundles. All right, I went ahead and I dyed the closure black, the natural black, as the bundles. However, I stained the lace, so I messed up on my last video, guys, and I'm very sorry. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to correct a stained lace. All right, if you dye your closure or your frontal in a natural black or black and it gets stained, this is how you can correct this particular color. Right? This may not be the same for red or blue or whatever other color we may do, but for this specific color, this is how you're able to get the lace to not be stained. All right, so we're going to go ahead and bleach it. All right, we're going to use, as you see, we use the Activator 30. You want to keep in mind if you previously bleach your knots, you want to keep in mind what level of activator you used. In my case, I used 40 last time, so I'm going to use 30 this time to correct my staining of the lace. All right, so you want to go ahead and spread that out. Also keep in mind, when you're bleaching any knots, you want to make sure that you want to make sure that you're putting enough product on so you can spread it throughout without getting the bleach seeking through the hair. All right, so as you can see, it worked out fine. All right, guys, the lace isn't stained anymore. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Peace.